Hello guys, we're at Melia, Las Americas, and today we have a special event. And I have here a person that will tell me everything about this event with the details. Can you please introduce yourself, sir?
For sure. Welcome guys to Melia, Las Americas. My name is David. I'm the golf coordinator at the resort. And today, always on Thursdays, we have a special event for beginners, for those who have never tried golf before. It's a group activity where we'll have a welcome drink. There is a master class with instructor. Then we have a small competition, and we will finish with a great lunch with lobster in the garden from the hotel.
That's a very nice event, I hear. So now we're going to try everything and then we'll tell you more about it.
Wait for it.
Yes! Okay, so I'm so excited. What are we going to do here?
So we're almost getting ready, and now we're going to start with initiation class.
And I have the person here that will tell me about this competition tournament. And what is your name, sir?
My name is Daniel.
Can you tell us how many times do you do this?
We have just one time in the week. It's very nice because we have many tourists from everywhere. It's really, really good and we enjoy.
I can tell. Everybody has a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
So after the master class and the explanation, the guests have some minutes to do some practicing, and the instructor is always correcting how putting the legs, how they're supposed to do the swing. And after all this learning, we start with the competition. And every couple is playing 9 holes at the end.
So well, and what is next?
Well, after we finish in here, we go to the 18th hole when there is a beautiful view to the ocean. And you can have pictures all together for the group. And afterwards, we have a tour inside the two-point house, which is a very, it's related to the foundation of Varadero itself. So it's very interesting. And after that, of course, there is the best time of the day, which is the lunchtime.
Yay! Thank you so much, David, for everything.
You're very welcome. So remains to invite you, all of you, in case you're interested in playing golf. You can choose this hotel as the first option, and don't forget about signing up for our golf tournament every Thursday.
But also, I want to say, even though if you don't want to play golf or if you've never played it, try it. It's really worth it. It's so much fun. Thank you.